Welcome to Home Cinema and Tech Review. I bought two things to combine with my Minisforum X1 Pro mini PC, which is a beast of a device I reviewed, and I've changed my laptop setup into a mini PC setup. Couple of guides will come. So this is the M240 Silent Mouse from Logitech. And this is again from Logitech, a keyboard. This is not a sponsored video. Pebble Keys 2 K380S. This is a mini keyboard. Let's take a look how mini it is. It comes with a protective pouch, and if you're wondering to see a full review, well, we can talk about it. This is a protective layer, so I can keep this on. Other than that, we got user manuals, and the rest is the keyboard itself. Look how good looking it is. It is plastic, but it's 49% recycled plastic materials. But when you take a look at it, it feels like definitely there's an on and off switch here. It feels like a metallic keyboard from the solidness of this device, and it's silent. Hear this. It's pretty silent, and look how cool it looks right in front of this mini PC. The other device is also silent. That's why I chose it. Normally, this Logitech could be a bundle with other mouses that like thin level of mouses, like more thinner mouse, because the portability. But in terms of my hand and grip, I need an angle to the mouse because I'm using Photoshop and Premiere Pro, After Effects, and lots of video editing and working, coding and stuff, designing. So this could be a better option if you choose M240. Like I said, this is not a sponsored video. We got a user manual. In the rest, we got the mouse itself. So they don't perfectly match one another, but when you look at the colors on the side and the top, I think they are not exactly best, but not bad looking either. So this is also a Bluetooth mouse, but I reckon we could have a 2.4 gigahertz sensor. The reason is that really supports to use with PCs. I will talk about this, but inside of the device, we don't have a receiver. That's kind of like a bummer, because the first thing that I had with this mini PC, if you are going to use it in the Windows or any other operation system after booting up with a cable keyboard and mouse, no problem. But both of these doesn't have any receiver, so you got to buy yourself a separate receiver if you have to. Otherwise, it won't run in the BIOS because the BIOS does not activate the Bluetooth. So in terms of choosing something like this cool, you need to have a cable mouse on keyboard to make it